back. In our previous lesson, we have discussed about how to move or copy files from one location to the other. So in this tutorial, I just want to show you how to use a wildcard to narrow searches when working with Microsoft Disk Operating System. As you can see, we're currently inside the Innocent Grey directory. Let's go to our working directory. So the first thing, we're just going to view the content of the directory lessons, which is our current working directory. Here we have a lot of files with different formats as well as directories. For example, we have Word type files, PDF files, we also have PowerPoint files, and JPG files. So it may happen that you want to search for particular files or directories. To do that, we use a wildcard. So there are different positions which you can use your wildcard. The first position is when you want to search for files or directories that start with the same letters. So to do that, you simply type cmd, then you put space, then you type the letters, and then you put the wildcard. Just by doing that, you are going to execute all the files or directories that start with the same letters. For example, we want to view all files or directories that start with the letter C. So what we're going to do, we'll simply type dir space C, then we'll put a wildcard. If I press enter, you can see that all the directories and files that start with C are appearing here. So that's the first task which you can do with the wildcard. And for this one, I'm just using dir, but you can replace this with another command. For example, you want to copy, you want to delete, or you want to move. You can simply replace that. So what if you want to view all document files? So to do that, we're simply going to do cmd, we put a space, then we put a wildcard, then here we're going to put the letters or the file format itself. This command helps you to search for files or directories that ends with particular letters. So I've said we want to view all files that are in Word format. Just going to say dir space, then I put wildcard.docx. I press enter. As you can see here, we only have two files which are in Word format. And what if we want to view all PDF files? Simple, we're also going to do dir space, I put wildcard.pdf. I press enter, you can see that now we only have PDF files. You simply do cmd space, then you put wildcard, then the letters themselves, then wildcard. This is just going to search all files or directories that have similar letters in between. So, for example, let's view all files or directories that have the word or that have the letters NT. So I'm going to do dir space, I put wildcard, NT, wildcard. I press enter, you can see that here we're seeing that we have these files. And if we check, they all have NT. That's it. So that's how you can use the wildcard. And if you want to delete, you can also do the same. For example, we want to delete all pptx files. To do that, we're just going to do del space, then I put wildcard.pptx. I press enter, I've automatically deleted this. So let's view. Now you can see that we don't have any pptx file. So you can do the same with all other files or directories just by changing the position of the wildcard in your command.